Are LED flash notifications not working on your iPhone even after enabling them? This can be frustrating, especially if you rely on visual alerts. Let's go through the troubleshooting steps to fix the issue and get your iPhone's flash notifications working again. Before you start, make sure to turn off Do Not Disturb mode. Turn off low power mode. Also check if your flash works in your camera or not. After following these, if you still have the issue, then try our main process. Solution 1. Ensure LED flash notifications are enabled. Go to Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Scroll down and select Audio Visual under the Hearing section. Look for LED flash for alerts. Ensure the toggle is set to On. To activate LED flash alert in silent mode, just enable flash in silent mode. Solution 2. Check software updates. Running outdated iOS can cause compatibility issues, so ensure your iPhone is updated. Go to Settings, tap on General, tap on Software Update. If an update is available, then download and install. After the update, test LED flash notifications again. By following these steps, you should be able to fix LED flash notifications not working on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, then don't forget to subscribe for more tips and stay tuned for the next tutorial.